Good evening, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Sunday, March the 14th, 2010. We've already posted our free alert on our free side of our website, so if you're looking for that, go look into the right thing. This is our market review, so let's have a look at it. The only of the three markets that we watch, uh, Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500, the only one to actually make a gain on Friday was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That is because it is the only one that has yet to actually break out of this line or even come close to it. We're kind of still dragging our feet here, so uh, that's why you saw upside on this one versus the others. That's my opinion, at least. Um, I'm still watching this here. Watch the previous videos if you want to know why this is important to me. I continue to believe that we could see, it's more likely we're going to see a breakout of this. If we don't, we have to definitely become somewhat skeptical. I'm skeptical of this move anyway, simply because anytime a stock or uh, major market advances, you want to look at the volume. And you'll notice the buy point here, the big volume here. We caught that. We saw this setting up, and it was good. But since that move, we've seen decreasing volume, and that's a bearish divergence telling us to be cautious of this run right here. So we definitely want to keep an eye on that. You'll also notice the fade here of the histogram is decreasing. It's losing momentum, and we're coming up close to the uh, overbought condition above 70 of the RSI indicator. So be watching that this week. Quick review of the NASDAQ. You'll see that if I can scroll down to it slowly but surely, maybe not. Still waiting. There we go. All right. On the NASDAQ, let's pull up the chart so I can draw some squiggly lines for you. Everybody's a fan of my crayon. Okie dokie. Here's what we got. I said, I think it was Friday, that we'd already had 6 consecutive up days, and the 7th one was unlikely, though not impossible. That's basically what happened. You saw some selling going into the weekend there, as we've kind of run pretty good there. We might see more upside here. This hammer tells us that they would like to just call this a base right here, short term, and try to rally off that again on Monday. But the technicals tell us to be looking for a move to the downside, not a continuation higher. As you got the short-term overbought condition of the slow stotch, you've had this major run through this off to support at 2100. That's a lot of move to the upside there. It's about 350 points. I'm sorry, 250 points, 267 points off this point here. So stocks and markets don't move straight up or straight down, so look for a pullback. As I pointed out Friday, I would expect a shallow pullback to find this old resistance line, this old resistance point here. I think that's going to turn into support right here. So I look for a pullback and just kind of this kind of action here, sideways, and then they'll determine whether or not they want to move higher or lower from there. But that's what I'll be looking at. You also notice you've got the histogram here decreased for Friday, starting to show some weakness in the momentum, and this could start to flatten out and roll over and give you a convergence of those moving averages, and therefore transcend into a bearish crossover like you see here. All right, now the RSI is well overbought, 74.84. Anything over 70 is overbought, and I'll be looking for shorts. But we do have some momentum in the market, so keep an eye on it. The MPT rating came in at 03. That's bearish. Tells me smart money is not buying on Friday. And I would be looking for some weakness on Monday. That's my own personal opinion. But it's better than a lot of opinions you can get out there. So if you would like to be a full access member and you're not one yet, go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 a year, and I will see you Monday morning. Let's go make some money.